animal tissue. Okay. In last classes, we studied about different types of plant tissue. Okay, like meristematic tissues, next dermal tissues, next vascular tissue, next ground tissue. In last class, we discussed about all these four types of plant tissue. Now, in this class, we will discuss about the animal tissue. Listen carefully here. Do animals also have different types of four tissues like plants? Do animals also have four types of tissues like plants? Here, yes, animals also having four types of cells, four types of tissues, not cells, sorry. Four types of tissues. But they are different from four types of plant tissue. Understanding? Here also, animals also have four types of tissue. Okay. In this chapter, we will discuss about the four types of animal tissue. Understanding? In last classes, we discussed about what is tissue. Actually, what is tissue? Tissue means group of cells. Group of cells. When we observe this group of cells, all cells perform single or one function. All cells perform one function or a common function. Understanding? In some tissues, all cells are similar. All cells are similar. In some cells, in some tissues, some tissues, there are different types of cells. There are different size of cell. Understanding? Here, observe. You know very well that in lower classes we studied cells form tissues, tissues form organs, organs form organ systems, organ systems form organism, form organism. Here tissue. Tissues are made up of cells. In eighth class, you studied about the cells. Okay. Eighth class, you studied about cells. Now tissue. Okay. Next, in next higher classes, you will study about the organs, organ systems, and organism. Okay. Here tissues, there are different types of tissues in animals. Some tissues protect the entire animal body. Some tissues help for the movement of the animal. Some tissues are involved in transmission or transportation of the signal from one place to another place. Some tissues transport the materials from one cell to another cell. Understanding? Some tissues connect the two types of other tissues. Some tissues store the different types of materials. Some tissues connect or some tissues pack the organs at a specific position. Like this, there are different types of tissues in animals. They perform various functions, various functions perfectly. Understanding? Now, let us discuss about the different types of animal tissue. Okay, in this discussion, first we have to do or we have to perform an activity, lab activity. Okay. Okay, observe. Activity. What is the aim of this activity? What is the aim? Here, aim is to observe the different animal tissue. In first activity, we will discuss about the first one, to observe the skin. To observe the skin in animals. This is the main aim. Here, skin means it is one type of animal tissue. Okay, skin is made up of one type of animal tissue. Understanding? Now observe different materials required. First one, we need chicken piece. Okay. Next, forceps. Next, vinegar. Or vinegar or diluted or dilute HCl. Next slide, microscope. Slide, microscope, and other different types of material. Now, procedure. Now, procedure. Okay. Here first you have to take or you have to collect chicken piece. From market. Next, you have to place it in vinegar or diluted HCl. You have to place it in diluted HCl for 2 hours. For 2 hours. After 2 hours, you have to collect the chicken piece. Usually you have to collect chicken piece with bone. Okay, chicken piece with a bone and skin. Bone and skin. Now you have to collect the chicken piece from the diluted HCl after 2 hours. Then you have to collect a small piece of the skin by using a small piece of skin by using forceps. Understanding? Observe important steps. These are steps in this procedure. Observe one. Next, Now you have to place it on the listen carefully here. You have to place it the small piece of the skin on a clean slide. Listen carefully here. You have to place the small piece of skin on center or the center of the slide. Next, you have to pour few drops of water on it. Water. Then you have to place the another slide on first slide. Now you have to place another slide on the first slide. Then press the two slides gently. Press the two slides gently. When you press the two slides gently, skin present between the two slides, that skin is spreaded on the slide. Understanding? Next, you have to observe the slide under the microscope. Under microscope. Are understanding? Observe carefully. Now you can observe type of structure after observing under microscope. You have to draw the diagram or figure what you have seen under the microscope. You have to draw the figure what you have seen under the microscope. We can observe Observe, like these cells are appeared under the microscope. Here all cells are similar. Observe one. All cells are similar. Next, all cells are collectively formed and delicate layer or sheet-like structure. It protects the inner parts of the organism. Inner parts of the organism. Okay, observe one. Observe carefully. There are no intercellular spaces. Here, intercellular spaces are also absent. Intercellular spaces are also absent. Observe carefully. This is one type of animal tissue. Okay, this is one type of animal tissue. That is actually epithelial tissue. Actually, it is epithelial tissue. Observe. Next, activity, another activity. What is the aim of this activity? Here aim is to observe the blood cells. Okay, here materials required. Materials required for this activity are glass slide, next syringe needed, Next, cover plate. Understanding. Next, microscope. These are the materials required for this activity. Okay, observe. Observe carefully. Next, procedure. Next, procedure. First, you have to take a sample of blood. You have to take a sample of blood from a person by pricking the needle, syringe needle, by pricking syringe needle. Syringe needle. Okay, like this. First, you have to collect blood. Now, you have to place few drops of. You have to place few drops of blood on clean slide. On clean slide. Means next, you have to place another slide. Another slide on first slide. Then tap gently. Okay, like this. When you tap gently, what will happen? Blood cells are spreaded on the slide. Blood cells are spread on the slide. Now you have to observe this slide under the microscope. Observe microscope. When you observe this slide under the microscope, you can observe only red blood cells. Though white blood cells are present inside of the blood, they cannot be observed by you in compound microscope. Only red blood cells. Only red blood cells. Only red blood cells are appeared. Some are white blood cells. Okay, usually white blood cells are not appeared. Only red blood cells are appear under the microscope. These are important activities to observe the blood tissue or blood cells. Okay, next. Observe. Next, actually here blood tissue. This is also one type of tissue. Okay, blood is also one type of tissue. Fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. Okay. Now let us do another activity. Here, aim is to observe the muscle tissue or muscle cell. This is the main aim of this activity. Now, materials required. Material required for this activity? Or first one, we need chicken feet. Chicken feet. Next, vinegar. We need vinegar or dilute HCl. Next, forceps. We need forceps. Next, clean slide, microscope. Observe carefully. These are the important one. Next, we need cover slip also. These are the materials required for this activity. Now, let us observe procedure. Okay. Okay. First here, you have to collect a chicken piece. You have to collect a chicken piece from the market. Then, for example, this is chicken piece. How to collect it? Okay. This skin here. This is bone. Next, here, this is muscle. For all these activities, you can observe only a chicken piece with bone and skin. Now, in first activity, you remove the skin. In first activity, you have removed the skin to observe the skin tissue. Now, you have to take this muscle, now you have to take a chicken piece that is used in first activity. This is the chicken piece. That used in first activity. Understanding? Observe carefully. Next, now you have to place it in vinegar. This is beaker. Yes, vinegar. Then after 2 hours, after 2 hours, you have to take out the chicken piece. You have to collect the small part of the muscle by using the forceps. By using forceps, you have to collect a small portion of the muscle. A small portion of muscle. Now you have to place it on a clean slide. You have to place it on a clean slide. Okay. Next, next you have to place the another slide on first slide. You have to place another slide on the first slide. Now you have to press these two slides gently. When you press the two slides, muscle tissue or muscle is spreaded uniformly on the slide. Understanding? Then next, you have to remove the upper slide. Next, you have to add few water drops on it. Now you have to place the cover slip. You have to place cover slip. After placing cover slip, you have to observe that my clean slide or temporary slide under the microscope. Under microscope. Are understanding? Observe carefully. How to observe the slide under microscope. When you observe the slide under microscope, you can observe one type of structure. After observation or after observing the slide under microscope, you have to draw the diagram of what you have seen under microscope. Then you have to compare your diagram with this diagram or given diagram in textbooks or any other book. Okay, actually we can observe long tube-like cells like this, long tube-like cells. Observe. You can observe this type of structure. Here, these are nuclei. All are actually muscle cells. Muscle cells. This is a muscle tissue. Muscle tissue. Okay, observe. Here cells are very long in nature. Long in nature. They have nucleus in their structure. Nucleus. And some cells are branched one. Like this, you can observe this type of cells. Okay, this is the muscle tissue. This is the muscle tissue. Another type of animal tissue. First, skin. That is one type. Blood. That is another type. Next, muscle. This is another type of the animal tissue. Okay, now in taken chicken pea. Now in taken chicken pea, only bone is present. Only bone. For example, this is a chicken pea. This is a chicken pea. Here, bone is present. This is the skin. Okay, here is also skin. Next, here, this entire part is actually muscle. Okay, we observe the skin tissue and we observe the muscle tissue. Next, remaining is bone. Remaining is bone. Okay. Okay, observe this activity. This activity to observe the muscle tissue. First, you have to take a chicken pea. Actually, what are the materials required for this activity? We need vinegar or dilute HCl, chicken peas, forceps, slide, microscope. These are important. Cover plate. Now, first you have to take a muscle that was used in first activity. That was used in first activity. Then observe. Then you have to place it in vinegar solution for 2 hours. Already you have placed the chicken peas in vinegar or dilute HCl in first activity. Okay. If you place the chicken peas in vinegar or diluted HCl in first activity, now there is no need to place the chicken peas in vinegar. If you did not place the chicken peas in vinegar solution for 2 hours in first activity, now you have to place the chicken peas in vinegar for 2 hours. Okay. When you place the chicken peas in vinegar solution for 2 hours, what will happen? Chicken peas becomes soft. Chicken peas become very soft nature. Okay, soften. This is important. That is why you have to place chicken peas in vinegar. Next, after 2 hours, you have to collect or you have to take out the chicken fish from the vinegar solution. Next, you have to collect a small portion of the mussel by using the forceps, by using the forceps. Next, you have to place this removed small portion of mussel on the slice. On the slice. Okay. Next, you have to place the other side on first slide. Next, press it gently. Okay. After this, you have to observe this under the microscope. Okay. This is an important activity.